In this video, you'll learn how to buy Solana using the Trust Wallet application. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you will be able to complete your purchase efficiently and securely. Begin by opening your preferred web browser and navigate into Google. Ensure that your internet connection is stable, as this will help streamline the process. Once the Google homepage appears, you are ready to proceed. Next, look for the Trust Wallet extension in your browser. This will usually appear in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on the Trust Wallet icon to open the application. If prompted to sign in, enter your credentials to access your wallet. After opening Trust Wallet, locate and click on the Fund option within the interface. This will bring you to a new screen where various funding options are available. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the options presented. Once you are on the funding page, click on the Buy Crypto button. This action will direct you to a section where you can initiate the purchase of cryptocurrencies. It is important to have sufficient funds in your account to facilitate the transaction. Next, locate the search feature within the Buy Crypto section. This is typically represented by a magnifying glass icon. Click on it to activate the search function, allowing you to find specific cryptocurrencies for purchase. Type in Solana in the search bar that appears. As you enter the name, suggestions may populate below. Ensure that you select the correct cryptocurrency to avoid purchasing the wrong asset. After selecting Solana from the search results, click on it to proceed. This action will lead you to a confirmation screen detailing the purchase information, including the amount and price. Click on the Continue button to finalize your purchase. At this point, you may see a loading indicator as your transaction is processed. Wait for a confirmation message indicating that the purchase was successful before proceeding. You've now successfully bought Solana, and it should be reflected in your Trust Wallet balance. It is advisable to check your wallet to confirm that the transaction has been completed and the funds are available for use. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.